feels amazing. Going into the preseason, they had us ranked pretty low, I think 6th or 7th, and just to come out and play like we did tonight and the other night against Gordon, just a great team effort, a great team wins right there.
He was amazing. He shot the ball so well. Offensively, he was great in the first half. First 10 minutes, we were not great offensively. They played defense a couple different ways, and we needed to adjust. And yeah, Frags was Frags. He was great, but Cesar was awesome. He was amazing. He stepped up and made some huge plays and some huge shots. He's had 2 really good games in a row now, and that was great. He works really hard. He works really hard and cares about our team, and it was great to see him play really well.
I was just getting open looks, and I was just shooting them. That's pretty much it. I felt like everything was falling, but I got to give good credit to my teammates for finding me and getting me open, because without them I wouldn't hit any of those shots.
We've just improved so much, and our guys have worked so hard, and we stayed healthy and put ourselves in position to play some important games this week, and we've taken advantage of it, which has been great. Thanks so much to everyone at Wentworth who came and packed the gym. We really appreciate it. Go to Endicott on Saturday.